Making Telugu curry is like telling a story. Each step adds depth, emotion, and flavor. Start with fresh ingredients. Trust me, fresh curry leaves alone can elevate a dish by 25%. They're like tiny aromatic powerhouses you can't replicate. The base of any good Telugu curry is the masala. This isn't the prepackaged mix, no shortcuts here. Toast whole spices like mustard seeds, cumin, and dried red chilies. These add layers of flavor. I'll bet this alone solves 50% of the bland curry complaints. Next comes the onions. Slice them thin and sauté them until golden. Skipping this step or rushing it is a rookie move. Golden onions are the unsung heroes of flavor. Don't be that guy who just tosses them raw into the curry. Grated ginger and garlic are the soul of the dish. Smash them into a paste if you want that authentic kick. Store-bought garlic paste works in a pinch, but trust me, freshly crushed garlic has 10 times more flavor. Pro tip, use a mortar and pestle for the OG method. Tomatoes. The tomatoes. This is where you'll build the body of the curry. Always go for ripe ones. Add them, cook them down, and mash them until they practically disappear into the spices. Uncooked tomato chunks? Instant flavor killer. Now for the tamarind. Telugu curries love that tangy, earthy kick. Use tamarind pulp, not paste if possible. It's like choosing a homemade storybook over a photocopy. Just a spoonful transforms the whole dish into something magical. Don't forget the vegetables. Here's the rule. Whatever's in season tastes best. Brinjal, eggplant, is a classic choice in Andhra curries. Soft, spongy, and a flavor magnet. But honestly, anything works. Just make it colorful because visuals matter, even in food. Curry powders come in now. This is where your family recipes shine. A teaspoon here or there, and suddenly you've unlocked 70 years of spice wisdom passed down the generations. If you're using store-bought, go easy. They're ridiculously salty sometimes. Add water or coconut milk depending on the type of curry. Me, I love coconut milk in pulusu. It adds creaminess without overpowering the tangy notes. It's like turning the curry's volume knob to the perfect soothing level. Let it simmer. This is where many mess up. Don't rush. Show some patience, and the curry thickens naturally. Low heat for 15 to 20 minutes lets all the ingredients mingle and marry into one symphony of flavor. Your kitchen will smell like heaven. Finally, garnish with fresh coriander and maybe a drizzle of ghee for richness. Ghee is liquid gold, I'm telling you. Your simmering pot of Telugu curry will now explode with aroma. And guests, they're already asking what's cooking. Serve it, piping hot with steamed rice or soft rotis. Watch as people take their first bite and then pause, savoring. That moment right there, worth every second you spent making the curry. Sometimes happiness is simple, isn't it?